Hello, this is D from the Fishing Gardeners, and I'm bringing you my Tamarillo, aka tomato tree. Check this out. Yep, it's doing its little blossoms here. So about this tree can take up to about 28 degrees as far as the coldness. It really grows very well, more in the spring and fall. It likes around 50 to 60 degree weather. So that's what's making it budding when it's chilly at night. And the Tamarillo fruit is similar to a mixture. Some people would say a mixture of kiwi, guava. It's like sweet and tangy. So that's what this fruit does. And again, I'm in zone 9B, Central Florida. And just bringing you this Tamarillo tree, and look how it grows. So the leaves are very velvety, so a lot of times when it gets too hot, it seems to drop, so I had to keep it in the shade. And now that it's getting cooler, I brought it back out to it can have, some sun and do what it does. And this is how it's coming out. So this is the first time growing this tree. Again, you know me with the experiment. First time growing this tree, so we're going to try it. I am going to protect it once it gets under 35, even though it said it can take, temperatures of 28 degrees. But the leaves are so velvety soft, I'm thinking about still probably protecting it anyway. So does anybody else know anything about this Tamarillo, aka tomato tree? Go ahead and drop some comments down below and let me know what you know about this tree right here. Okay, and go ahead and give me a like if you like this video. Please subscribe and enjoy the rest of your day. It's a beautiful day. Enjoy. Goodbye.